Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's after a long time that I'm posting a video, but I'm so sorry guys, like I was so much busy because I've opted for a regular school. So yes, these clips that you see in the video are after my exams got over of 11th class. And basically after like my exams got over, so after exams it's obvious that we need rest, so I was just chilling for the moment. And because it was a time around March, my session didn't begin. And I'll tell you the further reasons, how is my school going and how is my syllabus done and how much is my syllabus done basically, and how I'm completing, what's my plan. And this is basically a parcel that I'm unboxing, and it was basically a cleaning kit because I ordered for my laptop. This is for screen, and it has 7 devices in it. You can clean your laptop, keyboard and all. Many of you must be knowing about this. So I bought this one, and it's pretty good. This brush is very nice. So yeah, I bought this parcel and unboxed. I ordered it from Amazon. By the way, this product is not at all sponsored. So I'm having severe cough right now when I'm doing this voiceover. This is the weather, and these are pretty random clips. And this is the lunch. Basically, my mom was making batura, chole bature. So I just wanted to record it. So I just recorded it, and yeah. Around the evening, I had this thumbs up, and I think it's very good refreshment in summers. Here's a motivational quote, so you can just read it and get motivated. And this is the sunset view. It was pretty nice. So I'll make a separate video and answer all your questions regarding how I'm completing my syllabus, what are my plans for my summer vacations, and how is my school going, and how is the syllabus completed, how much I have completed. All those questions I'll answer in the next upcoming videos in a study vlog. Basically, this is a random vlog. So yeah, these clips are of around 27-28 March when I ordered these modules, and they have arrived. So as I was so clear that I had to buy that batch, so I ordered the modules firstly, because beforehand I ordered because in 11th I didn't had the modules, and I was so much lagging in question practice, and I was so inconsistent in taking the lectures. I had not to repeat all those mistakes in my class 12th, because I've revealed the result also of 11th class. You can see how bad I scored. Then I packed my bag, like it's before one day before my school began, 1 April actually. So yeah, this is all about the vlog. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Subscribe.